What inspired me to join the military was something my mom had taught me, was to care about others more than yourself. My name is Michael Gallardo. I was part of the U.S. Army, and I was a Recon Delta. I think 6 months into being deployed, we have this battalion-sized mission, and they say, what we want you to do is go and clear this road. And as soon as we crossed the bridge, we saw the IED. There was a foot-mounted patrol to the side. We tried calling them over the radio, couldn't get a hold of them. We decided to run it over with our truck because we knew that the truck could absorb most of the impact. I wake up to RPGs flying at me, and the only thing I could think about is what my men are going through and if they're still alive. My truck commander was still in the truck and he was unconscious. I put my foot on the door, try and pry it open, and I looked down and my Achilles tendon was melted off. I pretty much passed out after that and don't know what happened. 6 months and 20 surgeries into it, I just told them that I was in enough pain, and I think that the best decision was to have it amputated.
We're here with Michael Gallardo in the Los Angeles area. This is part of our Semper Cares initiative. It's something we've been doing for a few years now. We pick out deserving veterans and we try to find someone who could use the help, use a little lift up. Although I'll tell you what, when you meet Michael Gallardo, he gives you the lift up.
You know, at first the doctor had told me that the only thing I would ever be able to do was just walk. I was like, dude, what's the hardest thing that anybody could do? So 6 months after my amputation, I decided to do the Kona Iron Man in Hawaii. Pretty cool. You got to show the doctors and be like, hey, you're wrong.
He's a super individual. He gave up his leg for his country, and we're here today putting some free solar on his roof and helping out another disabled vet.
I heard about Semper by my wife because she had nominated me to this Semper Cares initiative. Callie called me, then we started talking, and it was pretty cool because, you know, it's veterans giving to veterans. They said, we're going to donate a solar system to you. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, you don't know how grateful I am for this.
He's got the greatest attitude you'd ever meet in a human being. He runs in the Paralympics. He throws the javelin now. He told me he's heading to Poland in a couple weeks for part of that. He's heading for the Pan Am Games in Peru a month after that.
So right now I'm currently training to go to the Paralympics in Tokyo 2020. Currently 3rd in the world for the javelin. So hopefully you guys will see me out there in Tokyo 2020 and then just come out and cheer me on, whether it's on TV or in Japan.
We're doing this at the 4th of July time frame, so what better time to celebrate our independence than giving someone some independence from the local electric company. It's Independence Day, and it's Independence Day for Mike Gallardo.